Okay. All right, here we are. There's Emmy. And look at our little setup here. We're out by the pool. And I put this little puppy gate up that I had for Polly. And I put him in the playpen. This is the duck playpen. Okay, look at our littlest one, the one that was born last. Look at him compared to the others. How little he is. I don't know if you can see it, but he's so tiny. Look at how tiny he is. He's so little compared to the other ones. They're okay. Oh. Hey. Hey, they're eating the dirt off the edge of the thing. I'm going to get him some food.